Moving forward towards the regular expression and a string punctuation using both of them over here. So what we are doing is we are using an re.sub method and a split method over here plus the string punctuation as well. So what it's going to do is first is going to split our string, and after that we, by using an re.sub method, we are taking those alphabets and the digits into the together, and the punctuation, it tends to be like it's going to bring all of the string punctuations together into this similar formation, and we are storing that into this list number one, and we have them as an output. Now when you talk about the efficiency, then it's really better to use a normal regular expression compared to the regular expression plus the string punctuation, because the efficiency and the time consumed by the regular expression is relatively less compared to the other one.